Hey, do you want to turn those long interviews or webinars into tons of TikTok-ready clips without spending endless hours manually trimming in CapCut or Premiere? The old-school workflow involves changing the aspect ratio, scrubbing the entire timeline, chopping every segment, and then reframing every single shot just to get one usable clip. Instead, I'll walk you through a chill, foolproof route that uses smart software to automate the discovery, reformatting, and scheduling so you can post more and stress less. Step 1 is simply gathering your raw footage, preferring the highest resolution copy you have, even if it was shot horizontally for now. Keep mobile files simple in your camera roll, but if you're on desktop, bundle everything into one spot so the initial upload process isn't a major headache later. Step 2 involves uploading that single long video and letting the specialized system do the heavy lifting of content analysis for you. It auto-analyzes the content and suggests immediately viral clips by finding moments with strong hooks, emotional beats, or perfect punchlines automatically. This discovery step is vital because automated systems objectively find the attention-grabbing moments, unlike our own subjective editing bias toward what we personally like. Other basic editors can certainly crop and trim footage, but they usually miss this intelligent moment discovery step entirely, which is a huge time saver. Step 3 is all about intelligently reformatting that selected clip into the TikTok-friendly 9:16 vertical aspect ratio without losing the intended vibe. If the original was horizontal, the best tools let you use auto zoom and pan features so the subject stays perfectly in frame through the entire cut. Compare that efficiency to CapCut, where you can do manual repositioning, but you still have to decide which part of the frame matters every single second. Or look at Premiere, which offers insane control but demands a steep learning curve and time that most busy creators simply do not have available. Now for step 4, do a fast pass to fine-tune the edit by trimming the very beginning and end and tidying up any little audio issues. Captions and text overlays are absolutely huge for TikTok because so many people scroll with the sound completely muted, so make sure your message lands without audio. Keep the final edit snappy, aiming for that sweet spot of 10 to 20 seconds long, and only go over 45 seconds if the story genuinely demands more time for context. A pro tip is to consciously add a brief 1 to 2 second hook right at the very start to tease the payoff and instantly hook the viewer. Step 5 covers styling, where you should avoid dumping an emoji tornado all over the frame and instead use simple, clean text overlays to emphasize key points. Use the tool's style presets for quick, consistent color grades and caption formats to give your entire batch of clips a cohesive and professional look. If you choose to add background music, select a track that is currently trending, but make absolutely sure the spoken dialogue remains crystal clear over the music track. For step 6, you have 2 export options. Option A is the quick manual upload where you finalize everything inside the TikTok app. However, my strong recommendation if you post regularly is option B, using the auto schedule feature to queue up a steady, consistent stream of content for you. Posting consistently is the hardest part for most creators, and leveraging auto scheduling removes that repetitive chore, ensuring your audience always sees fresh material. Finally, step 7 involves tracking performance after the clips are live, looking specifically at which snippets achieve the best watch time and engagement. This feedback loop is pure gold because it quickly teaches you which specific hooks and topic formats your unique audience responds to the most successfully. To compare, tools like CapCut are great for mobile polish, but you are still responsible for doing all the discovery and framing work yourself. Professional software like Premiere offers powerhouse control, but it is too slow and complex for the rapid-fire video production required for consistent social media. Basic schedulers like Buffer are good for timing when a post goes live, but they do absolutely nothing to help with the actual video editing or highlight finding process. The smart platform bundles the entire workflow by finding the best moments, intelligently reframing for vertical, generating captions, and managing the entire publishing schedule. To be real for a second, no single tool is a magic bullet, and some creators will always prefer manually crafting every single frame for a unique signature aesthetic. Premiere's pixel-perfect control is necessary when you need that level of mastery for a very specific vision, not when you're prioritizing high-volume output speed. A common mistake is not actively reframe horizontal footage. You must position the subject well in the vertical crop or the clip will feel awkward to viewers. Another crucial error is relying solely on the audio track. You absolutely must include clear, dynamic captions so your message lands perfectly when the sound is muted. Avoid making your clips too long because you have a fraction of a second to earn the viewer's attention, so aim to deliver the main point quickly within the first 3 seconds. Finally, never skip the performance review because reusing the proven formats that work is the fastest path to guaranteed sustainable content growth. To summarize the fast flow, upload your long file, let the tool find the best highlights, reframe to 9:16, add captions, and then schedule it to publish automatically. That means fewer manual trims, significantly less time staring confusedly at a complex timeline, and many more valuable clips actually reaching your audience every week. I challenge you to take just one 40-minute recording this week, let the tool propose 10 clips, polish 2 of them, and schedule the rest out for the next month to see the difference. Go make content and stop wasting your evenings on repetitive frame-by-frame repositioning so you can focus all your energy on generating brilliant new ideas. If you want a deeper dive, I can walk you through the exact settings I use for captions, hooks, and the best scheduling cadence for maximum reach next time. Should I cover that?